Welcome to my AI generated channel. No, it's not AI generated. I am real. Look, I'm sitting here talking to you. But yes, I do use AI, and a lot of the videos are AI generated. But AI is just a tool. It helps me get my message across. Rather than me talking here boring way, the AI conversations that I do, the deep dives, they get my ideas I generated with using Gamma, and then I let Notebook LM discuss it. If there's something wrong, I have to regenerate it. I have to revise it. There's a lot of things that go on in the background that you don't see, but I just picked the strategy. I let AI do the analysis, and voila, there we go. I mean, it's a fair question, an accusation, but no, I am here. I'm real. That's why I figured I'd make this video and let you know that it is not just AI-slop. I mean, I have more than 20 years of experience in digital marketing. I have, 30 and maybe 40 years of experience with computers and studying AI back from the 1980s, basically. And so, right from the movie War Games. And no matter what, AI is here to stay. Use it, but don't let it substitute. It will never substitute humans. So it can't think for my audiences. I am here. I use AI. I admit to it. All the videos are marked with AI generated synthetic content. But the ideas, the lessons, the education, the experience, it's mine. It's just presented by AI. And, I mean, if I let AI do everything, it would probably do a better job than me in catching attention. But I keep it honest. So AI-slop? No. AI is a tool. It's not a substitute for humans. So collaborate, use AI, and have a great time. Have fun. That's what YouTube and that's what the social media is supposed to be about. See you next time. And check out the Digital Cleanse series. Yes, AI-generated videos every week, but the quizzes, they're done by me and all the other additional stuff. So, AI-slop, not like the other people. I don't have the time to produce 25 AI-slop videos a day. I'm barely making it with one a day.